Hi guys, welcome back to another video of Invention Tricks. So today I'm gonna show you how to create image displacement effect using SVG that you can see on my screen. Before starting this video, I will request you to hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel Invention Tricks. Let's start. These files are using on this project. There you can see HTML, CSS and images. First of all, open this HTML file on Sublime Text Editor. You can see the style.css is already connected in this HTML. Now create a div with class name container. In this container, create a div with class name image_box. In this image box, create a SVG tag. Under this SVG tag, create a image tag. Now added ID with img on. Now add a image source. Now copy this image name and paste here. You can see but not properly. Now see the image dimension and add view box in SVG and put this value 1920 and 1280. Now you can see this properly. Copy this and paste here and change the image name. Now open the style.css. You can see already I have write few CSS. Now copy this image_box and paste in this CSS file. Now add few CSS in this container with 100% display flex. For this one, flex 00, calculation 50% minus 40 pixel. Overflow hidden. Now you can see this. For body, display flex and align items center. Now add minimum height. Now you can see this center alignment. You can see this, it is perfect. Now add image displacement effect. First of all, create a filter. And add a ID FL on and add a attribute in image tag filter and import this filter in this filter. Now add turbulence filter. For this one, base frequency is 0.5 and num octaves is 20. Now create a displacement map filter. In value is source graphic and scale is 200. You can see this effect. Now add a animate tag for animation movement. Add attribute name scale. Duration 0.5 second. Value is equal to 200, 100 and 0. For begin, add this image ID with mouse hover effect. You can see this effect on mouse hover. Fill equal to fizz. Now you can see this animation forward effect. Just copy this and repeat here. This animation used for mouse out effect. And change this value. Copy this and paste under this image tag and change the ID name. Now you can see this perfect image hover effect with SVG displacement filter. Thanks for watching this video.